Every process, a breakthrough cannot screen device in design built into every detail. A standout curved screen device with a design unique in its
Happy returns of the day, bro.
It's pretty impressive.
The supersymmetry design was precisely tuned for a supreme in-hand feel
And what?
superior gaming experience with world-class touch response. With 2160Hz high-frequency dimming technology, it even protects your eyes in the dark. Now, let's start with the next generation of viewing experience.